Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Uh, got a little workbench update for you, but first I got a little mail call to take care of. So this comes from Jamie G at Scale Model Garage, and go check him out. He does fantastic work, has some great videos up of his work. Please go support him if you're not already. He's one of our Canadian brothers. He does fantastic work. Please go check him out. Jamie G at Scale Model Garage. And Jamie, hopefully you've received my card in the mail. I know the USPS has been a little slow lately, so hopefully it's gotten there. So go check out Jamie, Scale Model Garage. Great builder, great channel. Okay, so what you see in front of you, folks, is my contribution to the tribute build for Veronica, Bella, and Keith. And I'm doing one kit for all three, and it is this AMT 1957 Chevy Bel Air. And I have something special in mind for this. So right now, this is kind of where I'm at with it. I have the engine pretty much done. This kit was full of flash, and you can see there was tons of gaps in putting stuff together, especially up here for the front headlights. And thank you, Brian, for warning me about that. I was test fitting it while you and I were texting, and yeah, you were right. The headlights don't fit very well. So yeah, I had to fill those with putty. The inside's done for the engine compartment. So this is getting ready for primer and then paint. And then I have something very special for the body for this, for the tribute build. Chassis actually went together pretty well. It was all pretty much one piece. Nothing really special down here. Shocks and all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, not much to this. Because it's a tribute build, I'm leaving the interior kind of not on the plain side, but I don't want it to be a distraction from what I'm going to do with the body. So yeah, so that's it. Pretty basic. Oh, and I will be putting these wheels on it. I ended up having to, so they came with just the wheel, came with just this piece around here, but the kit comes with the wire axle. So I ended up, after talking with Brian, went and picked up some styrene tube, and I cut a little bit so it would fit in there, so that these would actually fit a little bit better. Still a little bit of play in there, but once I actually put some Gorilla Glue in here and then set this in it and let it dry overnight. And yeah, it's as hard as a rock now. It does not move. So I'll do that once I get the rest of the wheels on. So there's that. And then also give you a little update on the figure. So obviously, the skin has been done for a little bit and the mask, but I started working on the wrought iron for the back. Most of this is going to end up getting covered up, especially in the back here, because she has this big tail of feathers that comes over this. So you're not going to see most of it, but I definitely wanted to paint it. So I did it like it was a wrought iron railing that she's leaning against or holding on to. And all of that was painted with oil paints, and all the way up to the top, all painted with oils. Focus maybe. There we go. Okay, so all that's done with oils, and then I'll start working, now that those are dry, I'm going to start working on the corset and the rest of the dress. So hopefully I'll have that done in the next week or so. And then I had the hat and then all the feathers to do too that go along with that kit. So beyond that, just a real quick video update, let you guys know what I'm doing, what I'm working on. Again, thank you, Jamie. Appreciate the card. And thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody. And please like, comment, and share the video if you feel it's necessary. And again, thank you, everybody. You have made this a fantastic journey. I do have to say, what day was it? Oh, the 12th was my anniversary day for the first video that I've put up, and that was in 2017. So yeah, I've been doing this for a little bit, and I want to thank you, everybody who is subscribed and commented and watched my videos and everything else. You've made this an enjoyable experience, and I really do appreciate you all. Can't believe that it's been since 2017 since I've put up a video, and I've done over 250 videos now. Yeah, closing in on I think 260, I think, at this point. So I do appreciate everybody. I do thank you all for all your support and everything else, and all your help when I've asked questions, and hopefully someday I might be able to get around the country and around the world to meet all of you. That would be wonderful. So, not to make this too long, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.